Alright guys, it's BJ again. Started digging out the fire pit, getting ready to burn some brush. We'll show you the end results. I got my brother here helping me out. Alright guys, got the hole dug out. Now it's time to start burning all this brush and scrap wood. I'll let you know when I'm done. Alright guys, we're out here trimming the trees over the house. Got a lot of still trees hanging over, but some of them are too high. I do not like heights, so I'm not going to go too farther than that. But we did manage to cut down a lot of brush from over the house. This is actually from all the over the hangover on the house. And then we cut down 2 trees that were right here. One was rotted, one was not, but I wanted to get rid of it. So now me and my brother, he's got a little bit more courage than I do. So we're gonna try to trim this branch back from over the carport. Hopefully we'll get it done and get it chopped up, and I'll have some usable firewood. And we'll talk to you with further progress. Also, FYI, we have my guard dog out here. That's my brother. He is getting old. He can barely get around, but he still likes to come outside with Papa. Don't you, buddy? Don't you? Alright guys. Alright guys, update. We got a lot of the tree branches trimmed. We got to clear the brush, but I do want to cut up a lot of this good usable wood. And I'm going to burn the brush. So I'll take you to the other side of the house, where we're doing the same thing. So we cut all this open. It was hanging way down. That's my brother on the chainsaw, J-Dub. We're going to work our way around the tree and come back. And then we're going to clean up this brush, but I'm going to cut out the usable pieces. Right now we're just getting the tree trimmed. Keep in mind guys, I don't like heights and I would not be doing this. Alright, here's a progress update. The tree is completely trimmed as far as I want to go. The only thing I have left is over here, over those wires, and I ain't using chainsaw over there. So I'm gonna try to use a pole saw and cut the smaller branches and chip away at it, so that way when I get ready to cut the tree branch, it's not gonna fall on that power line. So that's it for today until I get the pole saw. Hey guys, BJ. Today I'm going to be working on this brush pile here. I got some berry bushes that I want to get cleaned up so the other brush doesn't grow up over them and destroy my berries. So I'm going to clean this out. Hey guys, so I got progress. I got it all cleaned out. I got the post out, a little bird bath thing that was out here, and I managed to save my berry bushes. So it looks a lot cleaner. Now hopefully I got more room for my berry bushes to grow. Let me know what you think.